If you have a small, narrow entryway and you wonder how to go ahead and give it a makeover, this video is for you. I wanted to go ahead and give my entryway a makeover. I just don't want something that's just pretty to the eye or simple. I want something not only simple but functional. As you guys know, we have decluttered here and we're minimal here. So I decided to go ahead and make this entryway functional for our family of 5. If this is something you want to see, stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. If you're new here I show you guys how to live this simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything that you're interested in, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Let's get into the video. As you can see here, I'm going to use majority of the items are going to be IKEA. All of these items are already in my home. I have decided to go ahead and rearrange some of my furniture and make over this entryway. I don't want to just have an entryway just because I want it to make sense. I want it to be practical and functional. So I removed the IKEA shoe cabinet from my garage and I brought it here. It was just collecting dust. It was not doing anything good. So, and then I went in and I removed everything from the wall, all the picture, from the wall. Also rearrange the mirror, and I was thinking to myself, is this going to work out? And I was like, Gladys, go with your gut. And this, I have seen it actually on some Instagram inspo, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and try. And guys, stay tuned to see how everything turned out. It just turned out so simply gorgeous in my opinion, and mostly practical. Keep watching the video, guys. Usually when I do this, I call my brother-in-law to help me measure, but I learned from him. He taught me well. So I decided to go ahead and give it a try and do this myself. I rearranged and moved all of these myself, which I was so proud to do. Guys, in order to have a beautiful home, your home does not need to be big. It does not need to be fancy. You just need a clean home. I keep mentioning this in this channel. Your home can be the smallest home, but if it lacks clutter and it's the cleanest home, guys, it's going to be the most beautiful home. And this is what I strive to do here in this home. I strive to remove all sorts of clutter so that we can have actually a content life, a happy life. We're trying to live intentional as possible by removing anything that will be distracting to us. So adding a picture here and coming in the entryway just reminds me that this is home. And I rejoice every time I keep opening the door and seeing these pictures on the wall. Just brings me so much happiness. Keep watching the video, guys. This is going to be so much fun, so much more to see. These Amazon picture lights were amazing. You don't need any screws. You don't need to drill anything in. You don't need to rewire anything in. All you have to do is add some batteries, AA, and you are good to go. And I just love how easy it was for me to go ahead and do this. It just transformed this place, and everything will be linked down below for you guys. Now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is and how beautiful the light looks like. Look in the daylight. Look how beautiful this light is, guys. Oh my gosh. Now this is the IKEA shoe cabinet. I do not like what it comes up with as the knob. No. So we are going to go to our local Home Depot and we're going to grab some new knobs and go ahead and transform this place. Let's go to Home Depot. So we are back from the Home Depot store. These were the old knobs that was on there. I don't like those at all. Now these are the knobs that I had in my previous one that I got from Amazon. I will link that as well. I'm going to use it on the top, and the new ones we got from Home Depot, I'm going to use it in the bottom. I love the modern look of them. I'm going to go ahead and install these on there. Welcome to the next day of the video, guys. My favorite part is to decorate and clean. So now that we have everything all situated and we like the way it's set up, I'm going to go ahead now and clean the surfaces, and we are going to go ahead and decorate.
Makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
I'm going to decorate here, but I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to add a little book and some fall stems and a little ball to be able to add our keys in there. I love the practicalness of this IKEA cabinet. We can go ahead and open and add some letters in there. This is the reveal, guys. I love how the entryway automatically felt so big. It literally stationed everything, and when you enter, you know that this is the entryway. You can go ahead and remove your shoes, add it to the cabinet. It feels very welcoming, at least in my opinion. I really love it. I was able to get my husband to join me in this video. Stay tuned, guys, to see him also doing his part, showing how very practical this has become after transforming this place. I just love everything about this entryway. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. It was a pleasure filming it for you guys. I'm going to show you guys, this is exactly how it looked like at night. I love everything here. I cannot wait for the fall season and also the winter season. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like button and leave a comment. Tell me what you think about it. If you're new here, I would truly appreciate if you present yourself in the comment below, and also if you subscribe. God bless you guys. See you guys into another video. Bye, y'all.